Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful bracelets. I have a wide range of beads and crystals, so if you would like a custom order, please feel free to reach out to me.
Even this shit crank.
So first we're going to start off with this beautiful blue bracelet. I only used about 11 inches of wire, and depending on your wrist size, it can be completely different. So first things first, you're going to take about an inch of wire and make a loop with it. I like to use my flat nose pliers when I'm doing this because it gives me the best grip possible in order to make it tight. After you feel like you've gotten the best grip possible, you're going to take it off the round nose pliers and tighten it just a little more. And always make sure you are tucking in those ends because you never want to scratch nobody or even scratch yourself. Oh, and guys, I just got a new mic, so I don't know if I sound funny. To me, it sounds like I'm like pretty far, or don't sound like really excited. It sounds like I'm just like down or something, but I'm excited. I'm good. But yeah, let me know how I sound and what you think of my new mic. And if I sound perfect, let me know. It's just all in my head. But make sure that you always straighten your wire. And here are the rest of the tools that we'll be using. We do have to make one more thing before we put everything together, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is use the top of your round nose pliers and wrap your wire around 6 times. It's pretty simple, and this is how you do it. And this is how you do it. You get one mic and now you think you're a DJ. But yeah, continue to wrap around, and make sure that they don't overlap, and always try to keep them as tight as possible. I like to use my nails, but I usually use a flat nose pliers because I don't have any nails. Once you have successfully wrapped the wire around 6 times, you're going to use your flush cutters to cut off the end. And as always, once you use the flush cutters, there's always a part hanging off. You're just going to tuck that part in so it doesn't scratch you when you're wearing your bracelet. So now it's time to layer everything up. I also changed my mic a little bit and I'm not going back. So if this sounds better, I'm keeping it, you guys. I am keeping it. So now it's time to make our hook. You should have about an inch of wire or more left over. You're gonna need to bend less than half of that wire because you still need to wrap it around. But once you bend the wire, you're going to use the inside of your round nose pliers or your flat nose pliers to make the wires come together tightly. And once you've done that, it's time to wrap it around. And after that is completed, all you have to do is bend the hook with your round nose pliers. I hope you guys really enjoyed my wire wrapping bracelet video. Please make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for more new videos this week.